Alright, working on this Pilot, pulled the coil pack out and there's oil covering it. As you can see right there. All kinds of nasty oil. So on further inspection, found out that the top seal for the oil tube seal, but basically the oil tube seal has rolled over on itself on the top, and I need to take off the valve cover and seat that seal correctly. I'm going to show you a trick of what to do if you guys are working on a Honda Acura J Series V6 and you're doing the, or it would be the valve cover gasket and the oil tube seals, the top oil tube seals. A trick that you can help prevent having the top seal roll over on itself. But I'm actually going to check this one and this one as well, because I did this not too long ago and I didn't rush, so I want to make sure that the other these two remaining are good to go as well. So I'm going to remove those and double check. So there are the other two coil packs. They're both good, no oil. There's no oil here or here. Just that one there that's full of oil because of the seal. Okay, got the valve cover off. Hope you guys can see that, but top tube seal isn't seated all the way correctly. Let's flip it over. Take these out before I lose them. Yep. So there's the culprit right there. You can see it's popped up, or I didn't put it down all the way correctly, so that is why we are leaking oil into the spark plug tube, and that's why the coil pack is full of oil. So key item to take away from this, boys and girls, is make sure that these are seated correctly, and when you go to install these, it's a good idea to put some grease here on the front ones and then the back ones as well. That way they go onto the oil tube seal nice and neat. So that was my tip for you guys, is to put grease on the top of the oil tube seals in the valve covers when you install this. So I'll pull this out. I'll put a link in the description below where I go over this whole thing, but I just want to show you what this problem was and what happens when you don't put a top tube seal in correctly. I'll put some links in the description below where it goes over the spark plugs and oil tube seals in this thing, valve cover gaskets. Alright guys, have a good one.